Today is November 24th, 2020, and I have withdrawn myself from the Twitch affiliate program, opened up a ticket a few days ago, and I am out of there. And there's a few reasons behind that. We're gonna talk about that in just a second. I'm gonna try to keep this video very small, not really get into entirely a ton of details about everything, and I will link a video down below from Devin Nash, who really breaks down a lot more of these things and is one of the main influencing reasons of why I have personally left the Twitch affiliate program. So without further ado, let's roll that intro. What's going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And today we're going to be talking about Twitch, live streaming, and the affiliate program, and maybe a little bit about the partner program. We'll see. It just depends on how ranty I get with these things. I have a few talking points. That's what we're going to be going off of today. And like I said, I'm not going to try to make this video too long. Just want to get the reasoning out there for you guys. I know you might not be following my stream entirely or be too interested in it, but you might be interested in some of the content I made on how to, get Twitch affiliate faster, the requirements for it, and a bunch of other videos I made specifically on Twitch and Twitch growth. And this video is, in my opinion, pretty important for you guys if you are already a part of the Twitch affiliate program or you're looking and striving for that as your current goal. So let's jump over into some of these bullet points. And the first one is that pre-roll ads really honestly kill your growth. And the reason why that they do is because the amount of time for the pre-roll ad to start and end before they can watch your stream, 30% of the people are pretty much clicking off of it and deciding to not watch your stream because of it and go watch somebody else. And with you being a smaller streamer, it's more likely for that to happen. Now, if you were a bigger streamer pulling in hundreds and maybe even thousands of viewers, then it's a little bit different. But if you're somebody streaming to 6, 15, maybe even 20 viewers, it's not as enticing for somebody to sit there and watch those 20 to 30 seconds because in a way, every single time somebody clicks on a stream, they're kind of making a gamble of whether or not it's gonna be good, entertaining content for them. And if you're telling them they have to watch an ad before your stream, you're pretty much just kind of a turn off to them at that point. So with bits and with your subs, essentially Twitch is making, I believe, half of everything that you make. So if somebody subscribes to you for $5, you're making $2.50. Now, to me, that's extremely steep. They're taking half the amount of money. Yes, I understand that they're hosting a platform for you to be visible on, but Twitch does not do a good job of making you visible to people. They don't do a good amount of, marketing for your channel and bringing people to your stream. It's not really worth that, in my opinion, and I think them taking half that cut, if I'm correct and that is the amount, which I believe it is, it's just ridiculous. It's a lot. They are not doing much work to be taking half of the money that somebody is wanting to support you with by donating bits or subscribing to your stream. Just both of those right there, in my opinion, are not that good. And as a small streamer, we'll talk about another thing, and that is the Twitch affiliate payout. You have to have $100 in your Twitch affiliate dashboard or whatever your earnings through Twitch before you can actually get paid from Twitch. And that sucks because if you're making $2.50 per sub, think about how many subs you have to have before you can actually get paid by Twitch. And then if you even include bits, I mean, you're still gonna have to be pulling in a ton to even get paid out $100 a month. And in my experience, it took me about 6 to 7 months before I even got paid out once. And from that point, I haven't even really worried or pushed the issue or pressed the issue about, hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure to subscribe or make sure to donate or something like that. It's just not really worth it, honestly, if you're a small streamer. The last thing I'm gonna mention is your likeness and your brand. And I'm gonna keep this kind of short because it is very easy to get into tons of detail about branding and why you as a brand is super important and why you need to protect it. But let's just talk about that very quickly. And just to use a few examples, we have big streamers such as Ninja and Shroud, and these people have signed exclusivity contracts with Twitch. Well, why did they hold out before they signed those contracts? Well, because they get paid more money whenever there's competition between Twitch and YouTube and maybe even other live streaming platforms that are out there. If you sign the Twitch affiliate agreement, you are essentially locking yourself into where Twitch has at any point in time the ability to use your likeness and essentially use it for advertisement and for promotion for them. And whenever you get to a point where Twitch is using that, it's probably going to be actually worth quite a bit of money. And if you went to a different platform such as YouTube or maybe even Facebook gaming, depending on what you're interested in, they might pay you a significant amount of money that Twitch doesn't even have to pay you at this point, specifically because you already signed an agreement with them. Other things are the exclusivity rights with it that are, in my opinion, a little odd. Yes, I understand maybe the exclusivity rights to stream to their platform, and that makes sense for partners. For affiliates, not so much in my opinion, but the main thing that they do that I definitely just don't agree with, and that is VODs. For example, I believe there is a 24-hour or 48-hour, maybe 36, I don't remember off the top of my head, but there's a certain amount of time before your Twitch stream or after your Twitch stream ends, before you can even upload it to something like YouTube. Twitch keeps those exclusivity rights. And the problem with that is you can't even really keep VODs on Twitch anymore with the current platform and climate because of all the DMCA crap that's going on. So in a nutshell, it's just not a great option if you're a smaller streamer. Now, I have to say, if you are averaging over maybe 20 concurrent viewers and you have probably 1 or 2 people that are wanting to subscribe a day whenever you're streaming, it may be worth it to you because you might be able to hit that $100 payout. Just keep in mind that Twitch does reserve the rights to use your branding and your likeness at any point in time, and that might be something that you might want to be able to leverage against them at some point in the future. Now, one thing Devin mentions in his video that I think is actually very interesting and, definitely on point, is that by the time you get to a point where you're making a significant amount of money off of your live stream, you pretty much qualify for partner. So keep that in mind for yourself. And yeah, let's jump to the kind of my conclusion of this. So in conclusion, I probably wouldn't suggest joining the Twitch affiliate program if you're averaging less than 15 or 20 concurrent viewers per stream. Now, if you are making 15 or 20 or more, there is a good possibility you might be able to gain enough subs and bits and stuff to even make it worth your while. But just keep in mind that Twitch is actually going to be taking half the revenue that you would personally gain if people just donated directly to you, as opposed to, using Twitch's services. Now, I do know that I kind of glazed over some of the things in this video, and my goal is to keep this video short and informative to give you guys the information you want. Once again, check out Devin's video down below. He is a super intelligent person and I love his content. And yeah, just definitely subscribe to him if you guys are interested in streaming information, because he talks about the live streaming, community and stuff all the time. And he has really great insight to how some of those things work. And I do want to say, yes, there are other things out there that might be enticing from the affiliate program, such as emotes and sub badges and stuff like that. But, he mentions in his video, and I would have to agree, that I don't think I've had anybody subscribe specifically because of the emotes or specifically because of the sub badges. They tend to do it because they want to support me. And if that's the case, they'd probably just be as likely to go ahead and donate some money or tip me some money on PayPal, or maybe through Streamlabs or Stream Elements alternatives that are out there as well. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be all for this video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Go ahead and destroy that like button and get subscribed here on How To Tech if you guys aren't already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I also want to go ahead and say big shout out to our community on Discord. We now have over 4,000 people, I believe, on there, and we are on track to hit 10K subscribers on this YouTube channel before the end of the year, and you guys are absolutely awesome. I started this year with the goal of wanting to hit 1,000 subscribers. I hit it within the first quarter of this year, and the growth has been insane, and the support from you guys has been insane as well. So thank you so much for your guys' support. Also, if you want to support this channel financially, there will be a link to Patreon down below. Check that out. I'm trying to give some features and reasons for you guys to check that out and maybe join. But if you want to support the channel financially, that's a way for you guys to do so as well. Also, there's links to Amazon down below. Those affiliate links kind of cover the gear that I use in these videos. And if you buy something from those links, they actually help support the channel as well. So just a disclaimer there for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you guys take your tech to the next level. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.